inspiration for becoming an artist was definitely Beyonce. I've just literally been watching and studying her for years. I love everything about her, just from her mannerisms, her performance skills, everything. And I just wish like I could be like the rap version of that. Fashion plays a very important role because before I was doing music, I was known for fashion. That's literally like my first love. It's just, I feel like it helps get my vision across more with my music. I don't have any upcoming projects, unfortunately, but I do have a project out. It's called Love It or Hate It. It's out on all streaming platforms, so still go get that. MissKaniyah is my handle across all social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, as well as music platforms as well, Spotify, iTunes, everything.